Good morning, first class children. Very good morning to all. Okay, so you are all ready for the class. Should I continue? Yesterday lesson we had I had explained only a few points about the earth and the sun, isn't it? So let me continue with the about the moon and the stars. Before I start about the topic about the moon and the stars, I would like to ask you yesterday topic. Is it clear for you all? Can you able to follow that lesson? మీకు అర్థమైందనన్నా మీకు అందరికీ నిన్న లెసన్ సో అందరు విన్నారా లెసన్ని ఓకే సో నెక్స్ట్ వన్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ఇన్కంప్లీట్ వర్క్స్ హ్యావ్ యూ డన్ ఇట్ హ్యావ్ యూ కంప్లీటెడ్ యువర్ క్లాస్ వర్క్ సో బీ ప్రిపేర్ ఫర్ ద to have to submit the classwork notebooks and your worksheets. Okay, first class children, so let me start the continuation of the lesson. Before I start the lesson, I would like to take the few points about the yesterday class. Okay, so what you have learned yesterday, what about which topic yesterday we had learned about the earth, isn't it? About the earth. So the earth is mostly covered with what? Water. It is mostly covered with water and with some only land. Okay, we live on which planet? Yes, we all live on earth, and it is what we live on land. Okay, earth is the planet, so that is what do we have in the earth? Water and land. Okay, so water consumption is more. ఎక్కువ మన earth planet లో ఏముంది? ఎక్కువ మాటకి నీళ్ళు ఉంది. మన భూమిలో ఇక్కడ ఎర్త్లో ఏముంది నాన్న? ఎర్త్లో చాలా చాలా వాటర్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది. ఓకే, ల్యాండ్ ఏంటి? తక్కువ ఉంది. ఓకే, భూమి అనేది తక్కువ ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, సో ఏ గ్లోబ్ ఈజ్ అ మోడల్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎర్త్. Yesterday I had drawn the picture, isn't it? What is the picture? A globe. Okay, so globe is a model of the earth. Okay, and it is when we look at the sky during the daytime we see several things. Okay, so yesterday I told you, yes, from to if you just observe the sky, what are the things you can see, children? What are the things you can observe there? Yes, you can see the blue sky, isn't it? And not only blue sky, sun, then birds, clouds. These are the things you can observe. Okay, so among that the thing is what we see the moon and the star. When we can see the moon and the stars? During the night time, children, isn't it? Only during night time we can see the moon and the stars. Okay, you may say that, teacher, sun is very near to our place. No, children, it is looking like that, but the sun is not very near. Okay, sun మనకు చాలా దగ్గరగా ఉందా? కాదు, అంటే ఇది చాలా దూరంగా ఉంది sun. Okay, and it is a hot ball of fire. Sun is round in shape. It gives us heat and light. అవునా కదా? వెలుతురు దొరుకుతుంది మనకి. ఎండ ఎట్లా వస్తుంది? ఇక్కడ నుంచి వేడి అయితే మనకి చాలా వేడిగా అనిపిస్తుంది. ఎట్లా? బికాస్ ఆఫ్ సన్. ఓకే, ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ అండ్ ఓకే, సో టీచర్ వాస్ సేయింగ్ దట్ ఇట్ ఇస్ వెరీ ఫార్ అవే ఫ్రమ్ ద ఎర్త్, బట్ హౌ ఇట్ వాస్ లుకింగ్ ఫర్ యూ ఆల్? yes, it is looking like just it is very near to the earth. Okay, no, children, that is wrong. Okay, sun is not very near to the earth. It is also a star. The sun is also a star. Okay, but it is not very closer to the earth. Okay, children, the thing is what? It is a big ball of fire. It is very hot. It is not a cool planet. It is very hot planet. Okay, it gives us heat and light. The sun rises in the where? In the east direction. ఉదయించడము ఈస్ట్, అస్తమైనప్పుడు వెస్ట్ డైరెక్షన్. ఉదయించినప్పుడు ఎలా ఉంటుంది మనకి? మార్నింగ్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ డే టైం. అస్తమైనప్పుడు దానికి ఏమనాలి? ఈవినింగ్. ఓకే, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ ఈవినింగ్ టైం. వెన్ ద సన్ సెట్స్, హౌ ఇట్ విల్ బి ద డే? ఇట్ బికమ్స్ సో డార్క్, ఇస్ంట్ ఇట్? వెలుతురు ఉంటుందా రాత్రి? అప్పుడు మీకు చీకటిగా ఉంటుంది కదా. సో బికాస్ ఆఫ్ వాట్? సన్ హ్యాడ్ సెట్స్, ఇస్ంట్ ఇట్? ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రైజెస్, ఎస్, వెలుతురు చాలా బాగుంటుంది. మార్నింగ్ అప్పుడు లేస్తే ఎలా ఉంటుంది? 7 o'clock 6:30 నుంచి మీరు చూడండి కొద్దిగా వెలుతురు మనకి కనిపిస్తుంది. తర్వాత 9:30 10 o'clock ఎలా ఉంటుంది? ఫుల్ బ్రైట్నెస్గా ఉంటుంది. అవసరం, ఇస్ంట్ ఇట్? సో ద సన్ గివ్స్ us what? Light, even along with light, heat also. Okay, now today we will discuss about the moon. Okay, so have you seen the moon, children? Okay, you have seen it. Oh, very nice. Tell me whether the moon is in same shape regularly. This moon, Chandra daily okate shape, round shape na untunda. No children, not at all. The moon is always show. It is what you can see different shapes in the moon. You can observe different shapes like half moon, isn't it? Have you seen it? Sometimes you cannot able to see the moon, isn't it? And sometimes like this half of the moon. This is not completely covered, only you can see this much of moon. Okay, so like this various shapes you can see all those 15 days, first 15 days. Again second 15 days, how you can see the moon, whether you cannot see the moon, you can tell me. Okay, so moon has so many phases, so many different phases. Okay, now apart from that I want to say, so this is no very near to the earth. మూన్ ఈజ్ వెరీ నియర్ టు ద అర్త్. మనకి చంద్రుడు భూమికి దగ్గరకి కనిపిస్తుంది. ఓకే, బికాస్ ఎందుకు అది దగ్గరకు ఉంది. మూన్ ఏంటి మన సన్ లాగా లేదు. మూన్ కొద్దిగా మనకి అర్త్ నుంచి మనము చూడడానికి దగ్గరనే ఉంది, అంటే అంత దగ్గర కాదు. మూన్ యూ కెన్ సీ వెరీ నియర్ టు ద అర్త్. బట్ మూన్ కన్నా ఏది సన్ ఏది దూరం ఉంది? విచ్ ప్లానెట్? సన్. దెన్ దట్ ఈస్ సన్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఫార్ అవే ఫ్రమ్ ద అగైన్ ఫ్రమ్ వేర్ earth to moon is different, earth to sun is difference is there. Okay, so when so listen here, moon is much nearer to the earth than the sun. It is smaller than the sun. Yes, సూర్యుడి కన్నా చంద్రుడు చిన్నగానే ఉంది. ఓకే, సో sun is what? Much bigger, much and much bigger than the earth and the moon. Okay, the next one, we see different shapes of the moon. I told you, no? We can see different shapes of the moon. Moon doesn't have only one shape, it has many shapes. It will going on. ఇవాళ మీరు చంద్రుడు మంచి వెలుతురు కనిపిస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో బాగా ఉంది మమ్మీ, మీకు మూన్ కనిపిస్తుంది. యూ విల్ బి ఎంజాయింగ్ ద సీయింగ్ ద మూన్ లైట్. అగైన్ నెక్స్ట్ డే యూ సీ that is getting what? Decreasing. Day by day it was decreasing. After decreasing again it is increasing. After increases again it is getting to decreases. So daily it was keeping on changing its phases. Okay, now sometimes it is round, sometimes it is half, sometimes we cannot see the moon. That is we cannot see the moon. Okay, so about this moon. Next about the stars. Now let me start about the stars. Now tell me now, whether the stars are very near to to the earth. Stars are very near to the earth, children. No, it is too far. That's the reason when you just observe the stars during the night time, how it looks, only dots, isn't it? Make it like కనిపిస్తుంది చూసారా మీరు? Only twinkling you can see in the night time, but you cannot see the complete shape of the star. You cannot see the complete shape of the star clearly. Why? Because it is very far away from the earth. So అందుకోసం మనకి ఎట్లా కనిపిస్తుంది? చిన్నగా కనిపిస్తుంది. Okay, so this is the what? Star. About we are going to learn about the star. There are many stars. Is it only one star in the sky? No, teacher. It is, there are many stars. You can make several by if you lie down I want to say that just if you go to terrace, if you have any terrace, no, at మీ ఇంట్లో అక్కడ పైకి వెళ్ళిపోయి చూడము, కానీ స్టార్స్ చూడాలనిపిస్తే రాత్రి పోయి వెళ్ళిపోయి చూడండి ఎన్ని నక్షత్రాలు. కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు కౌంట్ the stars? No, but you can enjoy by seeing the stars, how they are twinkling. Have you observed that? Twinkling అవడం చూసారా మీరు? Yes, stars will twinkle. Okay, so we use them in a twinkling at night. We can see them as twinkling at night. Some stars make various patterns. Yes, so many patterns you can make it with the help. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ దూరం నుంచి మీరు స్టార్స్ని చూసి ఎన్నో ప్యాటర్న్స్ మీరే చేయవచ్చు. బర్డ్స్, animals, horse, like this, so many patterns you yourself can make it with the help of the joining the stars. Okay, so like that also you can do it. We cannot count the stars as they are too many in number. Exactly, they are not too many number. It is uncountable stars. There are what? Uncountable stars, children. The star appears small to us because they are very far away from us. Okay, so this is the lesson, children, what we had learned today about the sun we had completed, moon we had completed, and about the stars. So about the sun, shape of the planet, shape of that sun, what it gives us, isn't it? And the thing is what, where it how it rises, and like means which direction it rises, which direction will be sets, that we had learned about the sun. Here we had learned about the moon, various phases they have, and moon cannot be in one shape, they are in different shapes. It is round in shape also. Moon is which shape? Round. Okay, so it is increases to decreasing, again decreasing to increasing. It will be keeps on moving the shapes. Okay, and this sometimes you can see the moonlight, sometimes you cannot see the moon at all. It becomes too dark in. Okay, so these are the things we had learned about the moon, but it is very near to the earth. It is not very far like sun, but like if you compare to earth and the moon, if you compare those two planets, but which is very far, sun is very far away from the where, earth and the moon. Okay, the next one we had learnt about the stars. Stars are uncountable, you can make many patterns. Okay, and it is uncountable. Why we are saying it is a number of stars, it is not one star. Not only it okay, it during night time it twinkles. Can you observe the shape? Can you see the correct shape of the star? Yeah, no, we cannot see the shape of the star. Why? Because it is very far away from the earth. Okay, so we had completed this lesson today, children. What is the lesson number 14? The earth and the sky lesson had completed. Okay, so please listen the class. If you have textbook, read the lesson once and twice and thrice. Okay, so keep the habit of reading the lesson. That is much and more important, children. So the next one I am going to give you the hard words. Are you all ready? First let me go with the oral drilling practice, then you can copy down from the board. Okay, thank you, children. 1 second. Now let me start with the hard words. Get ready for the hard words. Okay. Note down the hard words. First one. Earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. Covered. C-O-V-E-R-E-D. Covered. Third one. Several. S-E-V-E-R-A-L. Several. The next one. Globe. G-L-O-B-E. Globe. The next one is different. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different. The next one is round. R-O-U-N-D. Round. Seventh one. Pattern. P-A-T-T-E-R-N. Pattern. Appear. A-P-P-E-A-R. Appear. Ninth one. Twinkling. T-W-I-N-K-L-I-N-G. Twinkling. Various. V-A-R-I-O-U-S. Various. Light. L-I-G-H-T. Light. heat, H-E-A-T, heat. East, E-A-S-T, east. 14th one, west, W-E-S-T, west. Spell the word of moon. Clouds, first we'll write clouds. Then spell the word of moon. Okay. Next one, model. M-O-D-E-L, model. So, how many hard words teacher had given to you all? There are 17 hard words. So, let me start. Come on, spell the word all of you. What is the first word? Earth. E-A-R-T-H, earth. Covered. C-O-V-E-R-E-D, covered. Several means many. S-E-V-E-R-A-L, several. So what is the first word? Earth. E-A-R-T-H, earth. C-O-V-E-R-E-D, covered. S-E-V-E-R-A-L, several. Globe. G-L-O-B-E, globe. Different. Spell the word of different. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different. Round. R-O-U-N-D, round. Pattern. P-A-T-T-E-R-N, pattern. Appear. A-P-P-E-A-R, appear. Twinkling. T-W-I-N-K-L-I-N-G, twinkling. Various. V-A-R-I-O-U-S, various. Light. L-I-G-H-T, light. Heat. H-E-A-T, heat. East. E-A-S-T, east. West. W-E-S-T, west. Clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. Moon. M-O-O-N, moon. Model. M-O-D-E-L, model. Now come on, say all of you without spelling. Now, earth, covered, several, globe, different, round. Pattern, appear, twinkling, various, light, heat, east, west, clouds, moon, model. Okay, so hard words I had given to you all. Now write very neatly and try to complete this class book in the class book, children. Okay, and tomorrow we will go with the fill in the blanks. Okay, children. I think this class is very clear, isn't it for you all? Clear ga unda mee class, ardhamaindi meeku lesson. So again veeru okkasari vinandi class. Okay, so you will understand this lesson very clearly and write down those hard words very neatly in the class book, children. Thank you.